Today I'll show you how the screen incoming calling works on iOS 26, and we will do a live demonstration now. I want to show you exactly how it works. The phone on the left is the phone that will call. It has a phone number that is unknown to the phone on the right, which is my iPhone. So here I have my iPhone. Here I have my iPhone, and I'm gonna do an unlock. And to set up the screen, to set up screening for incoming calls, you go to the settings and then scroll to the apps settings, and then the easiest is to do a search for phone and tap on phone. Here you will scroll all the way down. You keep scrolling, and then you have this option here, these settings, screen unknown callers. For the screening for unknown callers, is basically the phone at the back there will call this phone, and you could silence the call. Calls from unsaved numbers will be silenced, sent to voicemail. Calls from unsaved numbers will be silenced, sent to voicemail, and displayed on the recent list. Okay. And you could even ask for calling. Since getting iOS 26, I wanted to try this, to make this video, and let's see how it happens. What's the voice, how it's asking? Is it a robot voice? How is it going to ask? So calls from unsaved numbers will be asked for more information before the iPhone rings. Calling and data rates might apply, so yeah. Call, move to unknown callers. I don't have this option because I want to see who's calling. But let's see what happens if I have this option enabled and I ask for the reason for calling. So let's see now. The iPhone is sitting here. We change roles now, and you will see. We change roles now, and you will see at the back if the iPhone starts ringing or if it doesn't start ringing. So I'll call myself now. I'll call that phone there. Okay, I'm calling. So it's just ringing. Maybe because I made a call before. Okay, so that's the phone number. I really wanted to see what happens, but now it's unknown, but it shows unknown, but it was ringing. Unsaved numbers, I guess because I had a call from before, it was smart enough to know. I really wanted to get that thing, but okay. Call filter continued. I'm back in the phone call settings, and I don't know why it's not working. It might be that it doesn't work in all the countries. Maybe in the US and UK it might work, but not in other countries. Here in Cyprus it looks like it's not working. I scroll to see if there is any setting I could change. I change it back to never, and it should ask for the reason, but it really depends on the region and the language of the region. Here most people speak Greek, and it wouldn't make sense to ask in English, and it's I'll try to enable this option also. Let's see what happens. So let's see. I'll try to call again. I need a stand for two phones. I think I need a stand for two phones or a bigger hand. Okay, I'll try to call again and see what happens. So I'm calling, and it's ringing. Yeah. If it was working, it shouldn't be ringing. And let's try the silence option. So yeah, it seems like it's not working here. I'll try again, the same thing. Let's see. So the option is there, but it might not work, so don't really rely on it too much. I'm sure this works in the US, maybe UK and other countries, but it would be nice to have an option in iOS 26 to see if the option is available for you, because here it's not really doing anything. It's just, when I had the setting made to ask the reason for calling, it didn't do anything. And I have this option, move unknown callers also, it didn't really do anything also. I hope this helps you get an idea of what's happening. If you enable the call screening and it's not working, it's probably the region where you're in, or if you know why it's not working, let me know in the comment section below. Maybe it's a carrier specific issue, I don't know. I hope this helps you get an idea of how the call screening works in iOS 26. In the US, I'm sure this will work and you can try this test. It's always good if you enable features like this, like call screening, to actually hear what's happening. It should be a voice, an automated voice that asks the caller the reason why they call, and it's going to be in English. But in countries where there are multiple languages, it's a little bit confusing as for which language to use. Maybe it uses a language selector option, like press 1, press 2 for different language. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you in some way. I really don't recommend using it. On Android, it's much better. You can block spam calls much easier on Android than on iPhone. So hopefully the iOS 26 will get a better feature for screening incoming calls. Thanks for watching.